Hey guys, welcome to the Radio Silence channel. Today we got an unboxing from our sponsor UKFOB, so let's get right into it. What the hell? Hey guys, welcome to today's episode of How the f*** did I get this thing open? Paul over at UKFOB kindly has sent me a nice care package. Very nicely, neatly packaged as well. So I'm gonna get this thing open. The trick to this, guys, is delicacy. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Well, start. Got some cool UKFOB patches. I'm going to be sporting these all day, every day. Got a good amount of patches here. Okay. More patches. That's a lot of patches. First on the list of goodies, got the Viper VX dangler pouch. Pretty excited to get this boy on my chest rig. Also have the new Viper VX chest rig to go along with it. This thing looks pretty neat. Woo! We got some, these are really heavy. We got some Zombie Nation zombie targets. These are going to be awesome. Alright. Also got two springs. So, if you guys don't know, I have a Scorpion Evo, I'm a big fan. So, Paul has kindly sent me mil-spec M95 and M105 springs. And we'll test those bad boys. See what we can do. And of course, to go along with it, the spring guide. Okay. Also got a new Pro belt harness. It's like a over-the-shoulder rig which holds your lead belts around your waist. You go for one of those battle belt kind of looks. And another part of that, again, it's just part of the harness. Ooh, we've got this new Viper VX dump pouch. It's like a quick release, so that will be very handy. We got the new Viper VX quick adjust sling. I'm very excited about this, as well as the official ASG Scorpion Evo mission adaptive sling. That's gonna be cool. We got a little snoot, a little Viper tactile VCAM snoot. Got the front support set. Sick angle foregrip for the Evo. Very nice. And magazine couplers. Very nice. Now, this is a LiPo bag by ASG. I already have one of these, but these are very good to have. If you're not aware, LiPo batteries can be flammable. So these bad boys will stop the flames, a bit of a flame retardant. It'll not completely stop flames, it'll just slow down the process, so as if you obviously recognize that your batteries are going to go on fire, this will help subdue the flames. But very handy to have. If you have LiPo batteries, get yourself one of those. Alright. This is the Viper Elite Battle Belt. This thing is very padded, very hefty. This will go nicely with the harness. And now, the thing I've been looking forward to the most, the Viper VX plate carrier. I'll get rid of this. I've been really looking forward to this. Ooh, very padded. This, if you're not aware, it's kind of a reproduction model of the Warrior Assault Systems Recon plate carrier. Almost half the price, really. Just above half the price for this. So, in terms of quality, don't expect to be as good as the Warrior, but I'm very familiar with the Viper gear. And generally, the Viper gear is very, very good. So I'm very, very excited about this. Now, obviously this is designed to fit with the other VX items we have here. So, it's upside down. This is a little chest rig that we've got with it. Again, at least at the same time as this. We've got the inside there. Again, that's just like Velcro back in, so you can put inserts in here. Obviously there's none that have come with it. What I want to do here is just demonstrate the compatibility. So you take it right down. Then you can release buckles on this. And this Velcro panel just comes right off. It does come with a little Velcro cover on the back, stop it sticking to your clothes. It's very strong Velcro. Now what you can do to secure it, again it's all buckle systems, hence why it's called the VX buckle up plate carrier. So clips right in like that, secures the chest rig to the plate carrier so as it's not kind of coming off, because obviously if you catch something on the Velcro and it kind of lifts, it can snag on all sorts of stuff. So very, very neat. Very neat indeed. This lifts off pretty easy. I have to say, the padding, it's soft but firm. It's a good size. Like it's a very slim plate carrier, as you can see. It's by no means bulky and it's very, very light. Let's have a look at the dangler pouch as well. Sounds like a little bit of kit. So, literally what it says on the tin. It dangles, it's a pouch. It's a dangler pouch. So, this bad boy, scooted onto there. And there we have it. The dangler pouch. One more thing from the Viper VX line is this. This is really nice. As far as dump pouches go these days, there's not really many that are as compact as this. Ooh, it's secured in with Velcro. It's a very tidy little dump pouch. And in terms of size, not too bad for what you're getting. And you got a little fastener there as well, help keep it waterproof. I'm pretty sure these things come under £10, so that is really, really nice. Perfect. Moving on to the last of our Viper VX items, the VX Viper Quick Adjust Sling. I'm fucking shit up. If you're not aware, this is designed to compete with the Ferro Concepts Slingster. In terms of the feeling of this, I like it. I like it. This little mechanism is very, very easy to maneuver. It's very light, which is important, but at the same time, it's really holding that in there. I do like the elastic covers the Viper always give on their slings. It just really stops anything banging off your weapon and kind of scratching up and stuff like that there. Overall, as a sling, really, really nice. The whole material is lovely. And what I gotta say as well is, this isn't officially licensed multicam gear, but it's a replica of the multicam. Oh, dirt! Got dirt! This is fantastic. I generally don't like bulky belts, but this feels like it'd be very, very comfortable. This thing is pretty great. It's very, very comfortable. This thing, you're gonna be lying against this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, we're going to have a few videos coming up looking a little bit more in depth at these kind of things, guys, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what to expect when you're ordering from UKFOB. A lot of really nice gear here. Paul seems to buy in the best stuff that he can get. Guys, hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Please head over to ukfob.co.uk. Use discount code RS5 for 5% off any of this stuff. Anything. Now I gotta tie this up. Yeah, is it you? You're a good kitty.